Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can increase your borrow limits on Cash App. The first thing that I suggest doing is going to be clicking on the bank icon in the bottom left corner and then scrolling down here until you see the option for direct deposit and you want to set up direct deposit. Basically, your Cash App borrow limits will be increased as long as you are an active user and you use Cash App to make payments, you add money and you pay back your loans on time. Which brings me to the next section, which is going to be paying your loans on time. So if you have borrowed money previously, make sure you always have enough funds to pay it back on time. And also increasing your you can increase your borrow limits by meeting the criteria for Cash App Green, which basically is going to require you to deposit $300 monthly and also spend $500+ with your cash card. So if you add money and you add $300 monthly, then that is going to qualify you for Cash App Green, and it is also going to increase your chance of getting a higher borrow limit on Cash App. So basically, if you are an active user and then you deposit money, use Cash App to pay, you have a Cash App card, a linked bank account, then this is going to increase your chance of getting a higher borrow limit. I hope this helps and answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.